Hey guys, Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're going to check out a pool home for our clients on the lake side of the highway, just down the street to Windsor Launch ramp. It's a really popular area. Hang out with us, check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1890 Nugget Drive. This is a nice 3-2 pool home. It's on the lake side of the highway, right down the street to Windsor Launch. It's a great area. It's one of the most desirable areas in Havasu. Super quiet street. Looks like there's some side parking. The killer lake view off the front of the street. That's about what it really looks like. Let's go in and check it out. So it's got about 11 feet of side parking wide. You'll have to probably ditch a 1.5 2 feet because of the plumbing. But it should be enough to get a lot of stuff back there. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2003, 1,709 square feet. It's on a little bigger than average lot of 10,890 square feet, so it's just right at a 1/4 acre. This house has actually been a successful vacation rental, and that's what it's used for right now. It's in a great area. Again, it'd be very desirable because it's so close to the launch ramps, and it's a good location, and there's a pool, and there's boat parking. So this would be a perfect setup for that kind of vacation rental setup. So it does have the vaulted ceilings. Obviously, it's an open floor plan. Has the split floor plan, so the master's on one side and the other 2 bedrooms on the other side. It looks like it's all tile except for the bedrooms. It's got real nice granite eat-at counters. It's got a nice pantry. Little pool view out the kitchen window. So you got your garage door, indoor laundry, and master on one side of the house. So it's a pretty good sized master bedroom. It's got the high vaulted ceilings. It's got double doors out to the pool area. So just so you know, all the furniture, even the kitchen, dining ware stuff, decorations, everything is available for sale outside of escrow. So this could potentially be a turnkey deal for somebody. It's got a nice master bathroom with skylights, dual sinks, tub, solid surface walk-in shower. Also has a nice sized walk-in closet with built-ins. Got your indoor laundry with shelves, storage. So you have your other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is your guest hallway bath. It's a full bath. You got bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. It's a standard setup. So again, all this furniture can potentially convey with the property. Bedroom number 3 at the back of the house. So you have a really nice size 3-car garage. Both doors are 8 feet high, and there's a 25-foot bay, a 34-foot bay, and a 39-foot bay. So there's tons of room back here. Get your boats in, your toys. It's your little nook for your water heater, soft water heater. There's an RO setup. Let's go check out the pool area real quick. So it's a nice size patio, little outdoor living area. The pool is heated. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. It's got a little Baja shelf to hang out. I don't see any chipping or popping of the plaster, so it's got some good life in it. Pretty private back here. Even has a little water slide. So this one does back to a wash, which is very desirable here. Offers some separation and some privacy. The cool deck is in good condition. I mean, a little chipping here and there, but nothing major. So just so you guys know how the personal property and the furniture and all that stuff works, there's a couple ways it can work out. One is it can just be negotiated into the price, and they will just convey everything at that purchase price, or we can come to an agreement and negotiate a price on the house, but then negotiate the furniture and personal property outside of escrow with a different amount that we all agree on, and itemize everything so there's no misunderstandings and all that. So that's kind of how that works. It's a question we get a lot. Hey guys, Havasu Lou back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little walk through the house over here on Nugget. Again, this is a great neighborhood. It's a great house. It's super clean. They've taken really good care of it. Again, it does have a really good vacation rental history. So if you're looking to pick something up and have somebody help you pay your mortgage and put it into a rental pool, this is a good one to get, because it does potentially come furnished all the way down to the utensils and the linens and everything. So anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. Also put a link to the listing detail page so you can see all the listing pictures and get all the pertinent listing information as well. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.